So, last time we managed to successfully create a menu. Now, this allows us to navigate to every page on our website, which is fantastic. But we need to take it a step further because we can't just have a list sitting at the top of our page. We need to make a menu bar. Now, this is where we move down to making a menu bar. And what we're going to do is we're actually going to style that menu bar and create it so it, by the end, looks something more akin to this. So, what we'll try and achieve here is we will go through and what it wants us to do is go to the CSS page so we can add in some CSS rules to style our menu bar. So we'll start with the nav UL. So we'll select this code, hit copy, go to CSS, and just under all of our other rules, we'll hit paste. And what this will do, it'll make our menu bar tomato red. Now, obviously, we can use hexadecimal codes like what we've achieved earlier on, but for now, let's just stick with the tomato to keep it nice and easy. Now, on top of that, what we want to do is we want to move down the page after that, and we're going to add this rule in, this list style type rule, which will help us get rid of the bullet points. So we just paste that underneath. Remember, that's Control V or just right click, paste. And if we notice, just on mine, you can see, look at that, the dot points are gone, which is exactly what we want. So moving down the page, now we've got to make it horizontal instead of vertical. So we have to create another CSS rule where we display an inline. So for this, all we want to do is, instead of squashing it all together, we just want to select the third black box, click copy. Once again, never paste over any of our rules, leave enough space, Control V or paste. And look at that, now we have a menu bar that runs across, has its distinct color and characteristics. Now, what we can achieve from here is we can then style it even further. So that's where we take that knowledge we've just done. Sorry, let's just have a look here. So we're going to style the menu bar. So what we'll do now is we'll move down from making a menu bar, which was just copying these three black boxes and placing them into our style sheet, and we'll move into styling the menu bar. So this is a 2-lesson part 1. So remember when we've just added this one in. So what we want to do next, to get rid of the underlining of our links, we add the following code in on a new line with a closing curly brace or R bracket. Now, all we got to do, select this once again, just in the next slot of lines. On line 47, I'll hit paste, and that will get rid of the underlines. Look at that. That's fantastic. So next step will be creating a grid or a bit of padding. So what I'll do is I'll select the padding line, and replace the background color with that one. So copy, paste. And what that should do, look at that. It's created a bit of padding, it's given its own character, and it's a distinguished menu bar. So replace that tomato background color with all of these additional rules, and we create, not only do we create a distinct padded menu bar, we've also got that outline there, which is fantastic. So all you need to do, select those boxes, go over the tomato, and hit paste. Moving down the page, find your nav ULLI selector, and inside those curly braces, add this line. So what we'll do is this one right here where it says text decoration. So paste, just like that. Actually, just in this one, ULI one. So add it in this one right here. There we go. And that's given them a distinct color. Wonderful. All right. So where we go from here is we then move down. We can add colors. We can create borders. So if we do some rounded, we just go nav UL rule, border radius. So we look at the nav UL. That's this one right here. And we go paste just on a new line. Get rid of that full stop. And it's created a rounded border. So that's how you style your menu bar, as well as adding it and coloring it.